Alright guys, so as Matt tries to figure out how to get the hood open on this beast, shout out to Papini's Garage. They trusted us to reinstall some new Optic Armor racing windshield into this beast. We're gonna crack that open in a second so you guys can see what it looks like when it's coming out. Cool thing about Optic Armor windshields here. This is the man that's actually gonna get the hood open for us, Mr. Papini.
How you doing?
Voila!
I told you there was a magic button somewhere.
Dang, dude. It's for all those guys running around town saying, I drive a race car. If it's not guaranteed Gapplebees, you ain't got a race car. Not yet, anyway. That thing is sick. That's a cool souvenir.
We're going to prep the windshield, like you've seen in a lot of the other videos, but we're going to do it a little bit differently because this is Optic Armor. It's not glass, per se. So, we're just very lightly making sure it's very, very clean so the urethane does stick to it. So.
And that's just the red Scotch-Brite you're using there.
Yeah, with a lot of plastic. That's where the urethane is going to go around the edge of the glass. The very light.
Okay guys, so what we did was we decided to make this thing look normal. So we're gonna put garnishes on there, just so it looks finished when it's in the car. Windshield moldings. They're not gonna be the stock type because we didn't really have enough time to order the stock type. So we're gonna use some universal flex molding on the sides and the top. When you're pricing windshields, this should be included in the price. Every windshield that goes in needs a new garnish most of the time to make the job look finished. If not, you would see the glue, and that's not a good thing to see. mind, they didn't ask us to put this side molding on. This is something we did on our own. All glues are not created equal. This is what came with the Optic Armor windshield. It has a 1 hour safe drive away time. It conforms to these federal motor vehicle safety standards right there for protection. This isn't what we're used to using. We're used to using Dow. But urethane, I guess, is urethane. This is definitely a good one because it has the 1 hour safe drive away time on it. We use a 30-minute safe drive away time on all of our windshield installs. Keep in mind how high this cowl hood is. Yeah. He's got a miracle to perform getting over that thing. Since Optic Armor windshields aren't glass, we decided to leave the protective coating on. That way we wouldn't risk scratching it up. (9:22). We got an hour before this is safe to drive away on. But you can see what I was talking about with the moldings. It's nice and clean. You don't see the glue over there. It's just a nice little touch.
Perfect.